Hi there, I'm Steve, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade hovercraft. Now you're going to need a few ingredients. First, you need a sports bottle cap, a balloon, an old CD, and some super glue. Now step one, take your sports bottle cap and your super glue. Squeeze very carefully some of the super glue onto the rim of the bottle cap. Now once the glue is on your bottle cap, take your CD and place the bottle cap right in the center of the CD. Press it down hard to make sure that it sticks and let it dry for a few minutes. Be sure to cap the super glue back up and make sure that the sports bottle cap is in the closed position. While you're waiting for the glue to dry, go ahead and take your balloon and blow it up. Now once you've blown up your balloon, slip the end over the top of the bottle cap and make sure it has a tight seal. Once your balloon is on top of the bottle cap and the glue is dried on top of the CD, you're ready to test out your hovercraft. Pull the top of the cap open and then let's see what happens. See how it hovers? Now this creates an airflow that's kind of like a cushion of air underneath the CD that gives it the illusion of a hovercraft. It's pretty cool. And this is a fun activity you can do at home or in science class or with your friends. You can even race them. See what kind of results you get. Thanks for trying the experiment, and I'll see you next time.